I am into week 3 of my 4 weeks of testing of one meal a day. I wanted to share this experience so others like you who could be interested in knowing more about OMAD or one meal a day will know what to experience, although all experiences will not be the same. There has not been any major effect on my overall weight or health condition, but there are some obvious effects relating to hunger or wanting to snack. Now, I have been on a primarily raw food based diet for almost 3 years. Next February, I think it will be 3 years. We are in November beginning now. So, based on this diet I have been following, I am already on a normal weight, or as an ideal weight one should be for my height. So maybe that is the reason there has not been any kind of an effect on my weight as such. I have been checking that regularly. There has not been any increase or decrease in my overall energy as well. I am as energetic and as strong as I could be, or as I was prior to following this one meal a day. So the good part of it, it has not affected my activeness. I am as active. That's the good part. Now on the negative side, there has been some amount of sleeplessness during the nights. It's a little harder to get to sleep because by about 10:30, 11 o'clock, I would start feeling a little hungry. And because there is nothing in my stomach, it's not making me dull and making me wanting to sleep. But once I fall asleep, after half an hour or 45 minutes, then I don't have any issues during the rest of the night. I am okay with my rest of the sleep, and next day morning I am energetic and active. In terms of the hunger, like I said, 10:30, 11ish, I would feel a little hunger, but then I wouldn't eat anything at that time. If I am really hungry, I will drink a glass of water or a half a glass of water, and that's about it. It doesn't trouble me as such a lot. Snacking, yeah, during the day after I had my one meal, which was typically around 11:30 to 12:30 in the afternoon. If I look at something that I am used to eating, like cashews or any of my sweets or snack items or fruits, then definitely I am tempted to eat, but it's not something which bothers me a lot. It's nice to eat and I skip it. That doesn't trouble me a lot. Other than that, I don't think I am missing anything as such. I am happy with this. There's an obvious benefit that I don't have to think or make my food for the next meal, whether it is a late afternoon or a night meal. So that's an obvious advantage that anyone would seek. I have not decided whether I will continue this forever or not. Like I said, this was a 4-week testing. So I will decide at the end of the week when I get to it, which is like 3-4 days from now. At that point of time, I will decide whether I will continue further or test it for some more time or not. But as of now, I'm just living as it is. I will definitely post one video at the end of this 4-week period on the overall experience that I've had during this period. So keep subscribing to my channel and wait for my last video as well if you want to know more about this one meal a diet plan, how it has worked or has not worked for me. I also post several videos on my raw food recipes and also several health talks on different topics relating to health. As I know, by no means I know everything, but whatever I know or I have experienced, I want to share it with others. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do. And also, if you watch more videos, you might find my raw food recipes, which some of them could be of interest to you. Anyway, thanks for watching so long. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Bye bye.